Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. Today class we are going to learn important topic that is formatted input and output functions. So what is that? Formatted input and output functions. So let us start the topic. What are the functions we have? So formatted input and output. So C language provides built-in functions to perform input and output operations. The input operations are used to read values from the keyboard, and output functions are used to print or display result on the user screen. So input functions are used to give some values through keyboard, and output functions are used for displaying the result or to print the values. Let us see what are the first. There are two operations: formatted output and formatted input. So formatted output and formatted input, both are different functions. So let us see first formatted output. So the data which is given as input from keyboard, that data is stored in a specific format. The data which we give as an input through keyboard, that data is stored in a specific format, is called formatted output. The data which is given as input from keyboard, that data is ordered in a specific format. So the data is what we'll do, we'll keep in order, in a specific order format, is called formatted output. So C language provides the output function called printf, which is used to display the result or outputs on user screen. So let us see the topic. The data which is given as input from keyboard, that data is ordered in a specific format, that is called as formatted output. So which function C language is providing? Printf function is providing, which is used to display the result or outputs on user screen. So let us see the syntax. So printf is output function, and it is used for printing any type of data such as integers, real numbers, characters, strings. Next, printf is a predefined function, and it is present in stdio.h header file. So to use this function, we need to include stdio.h header file in our program. So printf function is available in stdio.h header file. To use printf function, we have to include stdio.h header file in our program. Next, let us see syntax 1. Printf, within double quotes, string. Next, example. The printf function takes one argument called string. String is a group of characters which is enclosed with double quotes. When printf is executed, it prints the string on the screen. So when printf function is executed in the program, it prints the string on the screen. Example, you can see printf within double quotes Rakesh M.Sc. So the above statement will print Rakesh M.Sc on the output screen. The printf function can also print any type of data, not only strings, it prints any type of data. Let us see what are they. So syntax 2, printf format specification. Here you can see format specification, comma variable 1, comma variable 2, and so on. See here format is the format specification string. You can see format specification string. This string is used for which variable to display output. So this string is used for which variable to display output. A format specification begins with the symbol percentage followed by a character called the conversion character. So here we have discussed said that printf function can print any type of data. So different type of data contains different format specifications. So that format specification will say which type of variable it is. So that format specification begins with percentage symbol followed by character called as conversion character. So let us see. Integer type, if you want to print, use percentage %d. Your format specification is percentage %d. So float percentage %f, characters percentage %c, string we use percentage %s, short int percentage %hd, long int percentage %ld, next double percentage %ld, long double percentage capital $LF. So these are the formats specifications, or you can say format specifiers, which are used to print any type of data. So this is a syntax. Next, syntax 3. Printf. You can use string, format specification, and variable. So here format is a format specification string. This string is used for each variable to display output. A format specification begins with the symbol percentage followed by conversion character. See, this is the example. So addition is the string colon percentage %d is the format specification. Which type of format specification it is? Integer format specification, and a is the variable. So let us see some examples on formatted output. So hash include, this header file must be included to use printf function. Next, so main function, so here printf, the syntax one, just printing the string, that is this is just the string we have used there in the example. The same example I am printing, that is Rakesh M.Sc. Now you compile, let us see the output. Compilation and execution process is going on. An output is generated. So you can see the output. So this is the output. You can see Rakesh M.Sc here. So this is just using printf function printing the string. The next syntax we have seen, that is any type of data you can print. Let us check that using format specifiers. So we'll use the format specifiers now. Next, printf. Here I'll declare a variable, integer variable I have declared. Next, float I have declared. Now I'll assign int a is equals to some 10. So b is equals to some 1.2. So here I'll use format. If I use simply %d comma variable a. So %d belongs to integer type format specifier. So to print integer type values, we use %d and variable integer variable a. So next we'll see printf. To print float type, we use %f and comma variable that is b. So let us execute and we'll see the output, what it will display. Here I'll use I'll break the lines. /n is the used to break lines. Printf like this. So let us execute the program and we'll see the output, what it generates. Let us see the output. So %d integer type, %f float type, and /n is used to break the line or to create a new line. So let us see the output. So the output is this one. You can see Rakesh M.Sc. Here I used two /n's, that's why these two lines are break. 10 is the integer type value and 1.2000 is the float type value. So like this will print any type of data. And next to syntax 3 we have that string format specifier, both. So what is that string and format specifier? Let us see now. Simple. Here we will add a string. So what is it? It is a, what type of number it is, I'll write. It is an integer number. That's why I have written here integer number. So this is what string, and this is format specifier, and this is a is variable, and here this is real number, or you can say, you can write float number, float value. You can execute and you can see the output. can check the output. See the output. This is just printf string function, and this is string and format specifiers. This is string and format specifier, mixing both. So this is the about printf function, that is formatted output function. Thank you.